Hello, today we're going to be solving a problem to determine the isotopic composition in percent of the element thallium. Let's see what we're told. We're told that the relative atomic mass of the element thallium is 204.37 and thallium has two isotopes, a natural isotope with a mass of 207 and 203. But the content of each of these isotopes is still unknown. For this we have a question. To calculate the percentage composition of each of the isotopes of the element thallium, how do we solve such a problem? To do this we need to introduce an unknown. Let's say we have isotope content. Thallium, which is 207. Let's take it as X. And then the isotope of thallium with a mass of 203, let's take it as 1 minus X. We can work in percentages, of course, but mass fractions are more convenient to start calculating, and the calculation will be simpler. Now next, please see, we have a known mass of the thallium element itself of 204.37. Now, the right-hand side of our expression. So the isotope of thallium 207 multiplied by its content X, and then add the mass of the second isotope 203 and multiplied by 1 minus X. So now let's open the parentheses. We get this expression to be equal to 207 plus 203 minus 203 multiplied by X. So what we have here is a value. We get 204.37. Subtract 203. You get 207X minus 203. Then the difference in the numbers is 1 point. 37 equals 4x. Or the value of the resulting x will be equal to 0.3475. Now let's see, what did we take for x? For x, we took the content of the isotope thallium 207. Then we can say that thallium isotope of 207. Translate that number into a percentage. It contains 34.75 as a percentage. And then the second isotope, to calculate it, we subtract X from 1. And then the thallium with a mass of 203. We would have a value equal to 65.25%. Then we could say that thallium 203 is more abundant in nature than isotope thallium 207. That's our answer. Let's write down that answer. Then we can say that there are more thallium isotopes with a mass of 207 contains 34 to 75%. So there's less of it in nature. And the isotope of thallium 203 is found in nature in 65.25%. There is more of this isotope in nature. So I hope it is clear how to solve such problems. Of course, there are more complicated problems when there are more isotopes. We will also solve such problems with you so that they are also clear to you. And with such calculations, which are very often given in international exams, you could cope easily. I hope that's clear. Goodbye.